The SwingStat function can be used to calculate average swing values, whether it be a GAN swing, volatility swing, or percentage swing. So in this example, I've got a watch list with a couple of columns. Is the GAN swing direction up, true or false, and also the length of the current swing. So in this example of GE, you can see it's -2, and that's because the swing end, 31, minus swing start, 33, is -2. So it's obviously in a downward direction. So I'll quickly show you that formula. So GS1 is the swing end, GS2 is the swing start, and the result GS1 minus GS2. Now we can compare that value with average swings has taken place before then using the SwingStats. So we can click the plus, new script column. I'm going to create a variable called S1, and it's going to be a GAN swing, and I'm going to change the properties to a 3-bar use next. And now I'm going to use the SwingStat, not swing start, but SwingStat, and then S1 for the variable that I've just created. Now when I click on SwingStat, this is where we get the properties where we can choose which measurement to calculate. So we can choose from average swing, standard deviation of swing, that's in terms of value, average time both in calendar days and bars, and also percentages. And swing count, we're looking at the previous 10 in the up direction. We can also obviously select down, and also impulse waves or swings that are bigger than the previous swing, or reactive, which are smaller. So I'm just going to use the last 10 upswings for the average. Well, we can use the dot notation, average swing. And when I click apply, that's going to create those values. So for GE, the average upswing is 1.54. It's currently in a downswing, so let's have a look at eBay. So the current swing is, wow, they've had quite a run. So 9.49 is the current swing length, but on average it's only been 288. Similarly, we can do the same for average downswings. So what I'm going to do is just copy that formula, Control C on your keyboard, and then add a new script column and Control V. And instead of 10 upswing, I'm going to use a 10 period downswing. And there we can see that's the average. And then you can compare one against the other to create a ratio. So if we go click on this previous tab that I created, we've got an average up, average down, and I've divided one by the other. So this is actually based on volatility swings. So instead of using a 3-bar GAN swing, I've just used volatility instead inside of the SwingStat function. So if we edit that column, volatility swing, SwingStat up, average swing, divided by SwingStat down, average swing, and then I've just subtracted 1 to get the percentages. So as it stands, SCG, as you can see here, the average upswing is nearly twice as big, nearly 100% bigger than the average downswing over the last 10 swings. So not surprisingly, it's in a very strong uptrend. So SwingStats, very useful in comparing swing values over time.